Hi, dear students. How are you? I hope you are good. Dear students, in previous videos we discussed suffix and also discussed some noun suffix, and these are this. So, with the help of these noun suffix, we can make noun, and we have to know these noun suffixes. So because this is very helpful for us, and this is very helpful for our vocab power, and also this is very helpful for in our communication skills. So dear students, before starting new topics, so I want to discuss some minutes on this. So dear students, you can see that is in previous videos we discussed that EER means this is the noun suffix. It means engaged in something, associated with something. That example is octoneer, volunteer, engineer, profiteer. So the students, you can also understand this. And second is ER means meaning is someone who performs an action. This means helper, teacher, preacher, dancer, etc. And third is ION means meaning the action or process of, that is celebration, opinion, decision, revision, etc. And third is ITY. ITY means the state of condition, or that is probability, equality, abnormality, stability, etc. MENT means the action or result of, that means movement, retirement, abandonment, establishment, etc. The student next is NESS means meaning a state or quality, examples fondness, awareness, kindness, darkness, etc. And next is OR meaning person who is something, that is distributor, investigator, translator, conductor, etc. SION meaning is state or being, that is depression, confusion, tension, completion, etc. It means ship, SHIP. This is the noun suffix. This is means position held. This examples is worship, ownership, courtship, internship, etc. So this last is TH. This means state or quality. Since examples are strength, labyrinth, depth, warmth, etc. So the students, we have already discussed on this suffix. So now today's topic is suffix, but different from previous video, that is adjective suffix. This means adjective suffixes, that dear students, हम यहाँ पर ऐसे नाउन ऐसे सफिक्सेस का एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर डिस्कशन करेंगे और उसको जानेंगे जिनका जिन जिन सफिक्स के यूज से हम एडजेक्टिव बनाते हैं. इट मीन्स इन हिंदी यू कैन से विशेषण बनाते हैं, यानी विशेषता एडजेक्टिव बनाते हैं. ऐसे वर्ड्स जैसे हम एडजेक्टिव बनाएंगे, ऐसे सफिक्स को यूज करेंगे और एक नया एडजेक्टिव हम क्या करेंगे, जनरेट करेंगे, यानी नया एडजेक्टिव हम बनाएंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज सफिक्सेस. सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट दिस. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज एबल मीन्स ABLE. ABLE मीन्स होता है स्टूडेंट्स, एबल मीन्स होता है कैपेबल. यू नो व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ एबल. यू कैन डू और नॉट. हैव यू एनी कैपेबिलिटी टू डू दिस action, to do this activity or not, that is the able, and means IBLE. It means also capable of being. So dear students, examples are preventable, adaptable, predictable, credible. The students, these are four examples. These are four examples of adjective suffixes, and these four examples are created by with the help of able and IBLE. It means capable of being. So dear students, I hope you can understand this. And next point is, and next suffixes is AL. AL means meaning इसका क्या होता है dear students, it is pertaining to. Pertaining to, it means that is the नेचर, नेचर का मतलब होता है जैसे उसका अलग एक अपना बिहेवियर, अलग अपना नेचर होता है. इट इज मीन्स पर्टेनिंग टू. सो dear students, pertaining to this you can see, and examples are theatrical, natural, and you can see criminal. This means sensational. It means dear student, हमने आपको बताया है कि इसका एक अपना सेशन होगा, अपना एक टाइम होगा, अपना पर्टेनिंग, अपना नेचर होगा. जैसे अगर हम बात करते हैं नेचुरल, प्राकृतिक की अलग नेचर होती है, अलग चीज़ें होती हैं. डेट इज़ नॉट आर्टिफिशियल, डेट इज़ नेचुरल. डेट इज क्रिमिनल, क्रिमिनल की अलग एक्टिविटी होती है. यू नो डेट इज सेशनल, यू नो डेट इज सेशनल कब होता है स्टूडेंट्स. सो now next point is, next term is a and t. This means not gt. So dear student, this is the suffixes a and t. So this is adjective suffix. Adjective suffix, it means inclined to or tending to. It means that is the creation. It means you can say ability. That is means you can see the example of brilliant. You know that person, who is person known as brilliant, that is have a great mind, that is a great thinking. So you can say that person is a brilliant. So with the help of a and t, you can make vigilant, defiant, and brilliant. So dear student, now ARY, next point is ARY, that is meaning of or relating to. Of or relating to. Examples are grateful, ब्यूटीफुल, वंडरफुल, फैंसीफुल. मतलब फुल ऑफ, भरा हुआ, अननोटेबल मतलब नोटिस किया हुआ. इट मीन्स यू कैन से ग्रेटफुल, ब्यूटीफुल स्टूडेंट्स, वंडरफुल, फैंसीफुल. दिस इज वेरी एग्जाम्पल. you can see in your around you there are different types of examples. So next point is I see, means I see. This is means relating to, that means संबंध बनाना. this is relating to, संबंध बताता है, रिलेट करता है. that is iconic. you know iconic क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, you know better than iconic. it is organic, ORGAN. ऑर्गेनिक क्या होता है? हीरोइक. you know हीरोइक का मतलब क्या होता है? that is टोटल हीरोइक कपलेट होता है. that is this term uses in poetry, because हीरोइक कपलेट मीन्स होता है ऐसा एक कपलेट होता है जो किसी भी पर्सन का 2 लाइन्स में डिस्क्रिप्शन किया जाता है. दैट इज नोन एज हीरोइक कपलेट. दैट इज पोएटिक. दिस इज पोएटिक. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ आल्सो आई सी. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी. And next is IOUS and OUS. This is the example of that. It means meaning is having qualities of. मीन्स IOS का मतलब होता है ये स्टूडेंट, जब किसी भी वर्ड्स के पीछे में लग जाता है, सफिक्स में काम करता है ये IOUS, जिसका मतलब आप जानना ये स्टूडेंट्स कहीं ना कहीं वो किसी न किसी क्वालिटी की बात कर रहा है. मीन्स क्वालिटी का मतलब कोई ना कोई उसके अंदर गुण की बात कर रहा है. जैसे आप देख सकते हो, दैट इज ग्रेसियस, दैट इज ह्यूमरस, हास्यपद से भरा हुआ. दैट इज फैबुलस. you know fabulous, you use so many types. fabulous, humorous, gracious. So dear students, you can understand this. So next is IVE. So dear students, that is means quality or nature of. this is the example of quality means good, nature का मतलब प्रकृति. ये this is same meaning. I believe that is creative. that is बोला जाता है आपका माइंड बहुत क्रिएटिव है. दिस मीन्स आपकी क्वालिटी है क्रिएशन करने का. एक्सप्रेसिव है, एक्सपेंसिव है. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ IVE. And now next is LES. Dear students, this is very important. LES कहीं भी आता है लेस. लेस का मतलब होता है कमी. कमी यानी कमी का मतलब लैक. लैक का मतलब विदाउट समथिंग, उसके बिना. मतलब जैसे आप होपलेस, एक एग्जांपल यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप. यू कैन सी दिस एग्जांपल होपलेस. जी स्टूडेंट्स, होपलेस मीन्स अगर होप में आप माइनस कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? होपलेस हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स होपलेस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ LES. इट मीन्स दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ सफिक्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. सो डी स्टूडेंट्स, फॉल्टलेस. फॉल्ट मतलब गलती होता है, फॉल्टलेस हो गया. एंड दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ फियरलेस. यू नो दिस fearless. And next is restless. Every examples you know that students, but what is the term? You have to know this. What is the term? You have to know this. How we can create with the help of adjective suffix or new words in our communication, in our writing. This is important. So dear students, with the help of this adjective suffix, you can improve your writing, you can improve your communication skills, you can improve your conversation. So dear students, this is very important for you. So dear students, now next point is why. This is very important, only single why. So why means made of or characterized by, मीन्स या तो किसी से बना होगा या तो किसी के कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताएगा. सो दिस इज ब्रेनी, मतलब दिमागदार होता है. फ्रूटी, यू नो दैट फ्रूटी, टेस्टी, रोची, etc. So dear students, these are the adjective suffix. So this is very important for us. So dear students, once again I want to repeat this. Able, ABLE, IBLE means capable of being. AL means pertaining to, and ANT means inclined to or tending to. So ARY means of or relating to. That is full means full of, notable means, that is IC means relating to. That is IOUSIS means having qualities of. That is IVE means quality of, nature of. That is less means without something. That is Y means made of or characterized by. So dear students, I hope you can understand these terms, adjective suffixes, and you can use these types of suffixes in your writing, in your life. So dear students, I hope you can understand this. So dear students, our next topic will be verb suffixes. That topic will be depend on suffix, but their motive is verb suffixes. With the help of verb suffix, with the help of verb, how can we use in the form of suffixes? Means कुछ ऐसे suffixes हैं जिनका यूज करते हैं तो हम verb बना देते हैं with the help of. ठीक है. So dear students, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.